Welcome to 7680 Logan Lane here in Indian Head, Maryland. Nestled in the quiet community of Richardson Estates, this home sits on just shy of 4 acres with a beautiful, expansive front yard. The home itself is over 4,000 square feet, and I'd love for you to join me as we tour some special features inside. Alexa, turn on the cabinet lights. We're now standing in the jewel of the home, where comfort and elegance meet functionality. The appliances are connected to Wi-Fi, and you've already experienced the smart lighting. The main level has an open concept, with the kitchen being centered between the living room and the morning room, where you're able to interact with guests, family, and friends. Shh, I know this home has a lot of features, but my secret love is the laundry room. It was built when the kitchen was remodeled. When it's time to turn the world off, this is the perfect retreat. The primary suite is generously sized. It features vaulted ceilings, tons of natural light, and the addition of a new walk-in closet. The primary suite also boasts a fully renovated, luxurious ensuite with dual vanities, a water closet, custom tiling in the shower, along with a Bluetooth speaker, and an extended sitting room area. Experience unparalleled privacy with a backdrop of mature trees surrounding the property. This home offers a serene retreat while still providing access to local amenities. Reach out to the Nellis Group for your own private tour.